This video is sponsored by the makers of Senslip, the undergarment for men that solves sensitivity problems.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Big Review. I'm Jim, this is Anya, and we're going to show you the Keter City Box. We've bought two of these from Amazon. They come in a box like this, flat packed, very well packaged. We've bought two of them and we made one up already. They're very easy to put together and we like them. These are ideal for your patio or for your back garden. In this boiling hot sunshine, they do get very hot. Okay, this is the City Box, 30 US gallons or 113 litres. And it says read the instructions very carefully, which Anya's done, but I haven't. Okay, it won't take long. So this is what's inside the box. There's only 6 pieces and that's it. There's no nuts and bolts, no screws, no fixings, no nothing. Anyone can put this thing together. You start off with the base, and on the base it's got inside. That means it goes inside the box. That's the base. So that's the side. You can look after that. That's another side. Just snaps together very easily. And when they're all snapped together, they all become fairly rigid, as you can see. There we are, well done. There's another one. Which way up does that go? That way?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That is the lid. That's one side. And this is the other side, yeah. God, that's good. Look at this. And at the top there. All right. And one more. Well, all snapped together. Which way around was that? Other side. There we go.
Here we are.
That's it. And it weighs 4 kilograms. It's very sturdy, and Anya can sit on it. So that's the Keter City Box. We put the clock out here to see how long it would take to do. That probably took about 90 seconds. It's good value for money, and they've got them in stock on Amazon. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see any more of the Keter range of boxes, we've got several that we're going to construct. You're going to have to press the subscribe button. We've also got the Springfield, the Denali 100, the Denali 150, and another big box which I can't remember the name of it. Stay tuned. Thanks very much. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. This video was sponsored by the makers of Senslip, the undergarment for men that solves sensitivity problems.